Well, because I have the experience of not only doing it, I have been given the gift, I think it's something spiritual really, that I'm able to explain to people some complicated subjects. I've used myself as an example when I started, how I was lost in the terminology alone. And I realized that once I define the words, people understand. When I explain the concept, people get it better. When I explain a business model of what to do step by step, people will get it and they will see themselves doing it. And when I show them what actions they need to take to be successful, they can follow it. Some people tell me it's the mindset and open page 14, close your eyes and you do these things that you have to tell yourself. I don't believe in this. I believe in, you know what? You got a property that has this number versus the market value. You talk to tenants, you tell them this, and you get that, and the pieces come together, you make money. Then your motivation goes through the roof. Motivation comes after results. I will get you to produce, and once you produce, you're gonna fly. And once you fly, you come back to us and tell us, I can take money from others. I can do this and that. Because I personally have interest in your success. It's aligned with my own. As I sell assets and reposition my life, I want to see who's doing what, and I can actually work with people. I see investors want to work together. Fund managers want to work together. The need is out there in the market. So you can work with me or you can work with others, but you don't have to believe me. Go on YouTube, put my name. I have over 1,000 video success stories. I've been teaching people since 1998. First event I did was on January 6, 1998. Nobody has been teaching in the market with the exposure of SEC, with the exposure of everything you want, like discount notes and stuff that we used to sell them to students and stuff, performing with that many success stories. Most other seminar companies filed bankruptcy and repositioned and renamed themselves. It's been Cherif, Medawar, real estate investing forever. And I have the best reputation and I have the best results. And not only listen to people saying, I took the training, it's phenomenal. No. I made money with Cherif. I have a structure that makes me money. And maybe some of you know some people that have been with me. As a matter of fact, I have people here on the call, like James Dietrich has been with me years. He came to Santa Clara, California, right, James? Came to Puerto Rico, came to Southern California, came to so many places and has been with me forever, and we became friends. I mean, we talk and I could see through the years what people can do.